intermediary guidelines. They reflect the BJP government's syndrome, which is a big daddy syndrome. It is a control freak syndrome. It is against the vibrant culture of India, which is a culture of discourse, of deliberation, and of dissent. When people wrote The Argumentative Indian, they were talking of this culture. And you are now strangulating that culture. Today, what you wish to implement, you, the BJP, you, the Modi government, would make the North Korean model of control of the media blush. They should be seeking admission to the new BJP Modi government Pathshala to learn these new control mechanisms. Having successfully, through your control freak approach in the last 7 years, subordinated, asphyxiated constitutional and statutory bodies like the CBI, like the ED, like the Election Commission, and several others, having subjugated the Godi media, you have now turned your attention to what is now becoming an inconvenient truth for you, what is found on social media. And from there, you now wish to remove every vestige of free speech, free thought, and expression. These rules were published, no doubt, on 25th February. But the heart and soul of these rules was to be activated after 3 months, which expired yesterday, today. In these 3 months, every request with folded hands, every entreaty, every demand, every protest has been met by the hallmark deaf, stone deaf culture of the Modi government. They are not prepared to, they will not, and they intend not to listen. No modification, no recall, no withdrawal in 3 months. Let me give you a few examples. Rule 4, I'll not go into details, 4, 2, etc., requires an obligation for you, the social media platform runner, let's say Mr. X runs the social media platform, to disclose and identify the first originator of the information. Now, let us say that Mr. Pranav Jha sitting in Canada has originated it. It has come from end-to-end encrypted to Mr. Singhvi. Singhvi is in India. And it has gone from Singhvi to another person in India, Mr. Surjewala. Now, first and foremost, the social media platform X has to find out under legal obligation who the first originator is.